Just time for the final award. I'll reveal no more. The Lifetime Achievement Award is going to a couple that has shown the world that child deaths can be dramatically reduced by harnessing efforts of health workers who are equipped with really the most basic of skills and material.
Armed with a degree from Johns Hopkins, Dr. Abhay and Rani Ban returned home to their village Gadchiroli in Maharashtra in 1985. They set up SURGE, or the Society for Education, Action and Research in Community Health, focusing on the high infant mortality rate amongst tribals. Their research on maternal health as the leading cause for infant deaths was published in The Lancet in 1989 and led to an almost 75% drop in infant mortality in the developing world. Shodhgram, the medical center outside Gadchiroli, caters to the Gond tribals. The doctors here train tribal girls as health workers. Dr. Abhay and Dr. Rani Ban's mission is to create Arogya Samaj, meaning people's health in people's hand. Lifetime Achievement Award, Doctors Abhay and Rani Ban.
Ladies and gentlemen, please give them a standing ovation. They've spent the last 30 years of their lives in the most deprived part of this country, working among the tribals of this country.
I don't know whether it is a lifetime achievement, but I can tell you it has been lifetime celebration. Those 25 years have been full of fun. Every day has been celebration. And I ask myself, why? And I also ask myself as to what brings you here. You represent First India. And what you saw on the screens, the real heroes are working with Third World India. What brings this scream of First World India to witness this Third World India? And why do we want to call those 24 heroes as the real heroes? There is something in our hearts. The reason is that we are neurobiologically programmed to be moved by the pain of others. We all want to get liberated from the small prison, small cages of our small self and connect with others and connect with a purpose which is much larger than you and me and thereby liberate ourselves. That's why we salute 24 heroes. That's why we get thrilled when some scavenger's son comes and tells us his story. Mahatma Gandhi had dreamt that the first Rashtrapati of India should be a scavenger's daughter. That didn't happen, but at least a scavenger's son came here on this stage. So why do we get moved by this? These are not the faces, these are not fair colored smooth faces which can be used in the films. The reason is really all of us want a purpose to life bigger than ourselves. All of us are yearning for liberation. And so together, jointly, we celebrated those 24 heroes and you give us this Lifetime Achievement Award. Reason is because it's in the heart of every one of us.
You can't have a situation where Dr. Abhay Bang speaks and ma'am you don't. It can't be that. I'm sure you're the real power behind him.
We have a habit of always complaining, grumbling about different problems. And ultimately we also become a part of problem. And now it's a time that we don't become part of problem, but we become a part of solution. We have tried something in our lives. I request you all to give your continuous support, love, and blessings to all of us, all the heroes and us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Abhay and Rani Bang. That, in a sense, brings us to the end of this Real Heroes function. At the end, ladies and gentlemen, I'll request all our real heroes, please come up on stage. Also an invitation to all our guests of honor to please come up on stage and join Mukesh and Nita Ambani. We would like to thank our presenting sponsors, Reliance Industries Limited, who've been partnering with us since the inception of this unique initiative 4 years ago. Our outdoor partner, Bright Outdoor Advertising. Our radio partner has been 94.3 My FM. Our digital partner, DSN. And of course, our network partners, IBN 7, IBN Lokmat, CNBC TV 18 and CNBC Awaaz.